starting to go a little stir crazy with the COVID self-isolating. Didn't need something to do, and I was thinking, geez, what makes me happy? Bacon makes me happy. So I thought, why not make bacon? All right, so we've gone ahead and got all our ingredients yesterday. We have 5 pounds of pork belly. This bacon is going to be a honey bourbon bacon. So we're gonna make our brine out of some keg seasoning, black pepper, red chili flake, some dark brown brown sugar, Prague powder number 1, some honey, kosher salt, or in this case sel de kosher salt, and distilled water, an ounce and a half of Rebel Yell straight bourbon whiskey. We're also going to need a mixing bowl and a high-quality President's Choice Ziploc bag. So anyways, we have our pork now. The first thing you're going to want to do, if you didn't already have it done at the butcher, is remove the skin. If you get it from the butcher, you're paying premium price, I would have them remove the fat because you're going to lose about 1.5 pounds between skin and fat. So if you just start on one corner and start making a bit of a slice, you can kind of work your knife and pull, and just kind of keep rolling it off. Got a little deep with that cut there. Okay, so we have our fat removed. Let's throw that out. Okay, so let's try to mix up our brine now. So we'll put in our spice seasoning. Actually, let's try this out here so that our dry ingredients don't get wet. Our brown sugar, our Prague powder number 1, our kosher salt, distilled water, our bourbon whiskey, and our honey. Okay, next we're going to want to mix up all those ingredients. So we're going to put our 5 pounds of pork belly into our Ziploc bag. Then the next thing we're going to do is add our brine. I'm going to make sure all the solids on the bottom are mixed up and they're coming in the bag with the liquid. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to do is seal up your bag. Just kind of mix that brine all around the fork. Like so, and then you're going to want to work the air out of it so that it's just the meat and the liquid in there. I find if you work the meat to the bottom and then slowly start working your air out, like so. Bourbon, bacon, and we're gonna let that cure for 7 days in the refrigerator. And we're gonna flip it once a day for 7 days. And we're also gonna put it in a sheet just like this in case it leaks. You can see in here I already have a pork belly going. This one is maple and black pepper. We'll see how that one turns out, see what the different flavor combinations are like. But yeah, we're gonna put this in here for 7 days, flipping it once a day. And if the Corona doesn't get me, we'll see you in 7 days for step 2. All right, it's Wednesday morning and our bacon is fully cured and I've got it on the Big Green Egg smoking right now. Let's check in and see how it looks. All right, so we're gonna let that meat hit a temperature of 150 degrees and then pull it off, let it rest. And essentially it'll then be bacon and we can slice it.